The key to maximizing the performance of the plants is to have quality components. The components we use are all top-notch. You want the greenhouse, you want this environment to last. The grower wants to and needs to be able to focus on the plants. So we build a greenhouse out of the best components we can buy that will last so that it's trouble-free.
Here at HM Coast, we have very high standards. We're looking for a vendor to meet us with those high-quality standards that we have.
We grow rice seedlings and we grow them in water. We have 2 different depths of fiberglass boxes. They're constructed to be extremely strong to hold the fiberglass with water in them, but then we have 2 specialized benches, a 12-inch being the standard, and then we have the 2 that are 18 inches so that we can do our deep water research with organic weed control.
Agritech is heavily involved in figuring out what works. So we have shading system, we have heating system in a greenhouse, lighting, temperature control, humidity control, but it's a very complex system.
I make sure that we meet that particular set of engineering. Then we make sure that every nut, bolt, every part is what it needs to be to match that engineering. And it's seamless to the customer. We totally take care of it.